Hi guys. So my partner wanted to go to her Pilates class. It's not close to where we live. We walk about 35 minutes here. It's a lovely walk, quite hot outside, I'm sweating. And I said I'm gonna do a mini vlog to see what's going on. And yeah, the place is called Prescription, Pilates Lisboa. You'll see a video in a bit about them and check them out. What can I say? Let's see if you can find a nice coffee shop to sit down and have some coffee. Not normal coffee, just filter coffee, the way I love it. As you can see on most of my videos, before this was a coffee channel. All right, let's go. My partner Chantal, my fiance, found this great place. She came here once. This is her second time here. It's called Prescriptions Pilates. It looks beautiful. I've never been because I have a back injury, so I cannot do Pilates at the moment. But let me show you inside. It's quite nice. Yeah, it's called Prescription Pilates Lisbon, and I'll link their website in the description, so you can see the pricing and the class and what they do. It's quite beautiful here. I love it. Anyway, check them out. So now we are next to Príncipe Real. I think that's the area, I'm not sure. That's where the Prescription studio is. And I just want to show you how nice it looks. The buildings here, like what? Absolutely beautiful. And yeah, we're gonna find a coffee shop, see what they have, and enjoy a really nice filter coffee. Look at that hill. Anyway, let's go and find this coffee shop. I did see one coming up here with my lady, and I think that's a specialty coffee shop, but it's also like a working place. So you can pick your laptop and just work from there if you're working remotely like us. And I saw it first time when I came in Lisbon. I saw that one, but I didn't have time to go. It's quite fancy, and I just hope they have filter coffee, because I don't drink with milk at the moment. And oh yeah, also I will do a video for people that have pets. In this area there is a veterinary hospital over here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me check it out. Yeah, just over there. You can just pop in to work in a clinic. We have two dogs, and one of the dogs, the older one, she has some legs problems. That's normal for dogs her age. And what we done, we booked a vet to come home. It was only 35 euros, so I think it's just a checkup, but the fact that they're coming home is like, what? It's a big thing. So yeah, I'll do a video about us with dogs in Lisbon and what to do, where to get stuff. And if you're thinking moving to Portugal, and if you're coming from UK specifically, do a comment or get in touch with me. I will tell you exactly how we done it, and what are the costs and what you have to do, what paperwork you need and everything. But anyway, we done it. This is our second week here, and we're enjoying it. When you look at this weather, look at this place. Just another coffee shop / workplace. Not far actually from the buzz of the city center. It's called Dear Breakfast. They have actually an amazing breakfast, and it's beautiful inside. And it's on a quiet street like this. Oh yeah, that's the one over there. And also another thing to remember if you're visiting some areas, you need to respect the neighborhood, the neighbors, and to be a bit more quieter than usual, because you will have signs like this. Here you go, please respect our neighborhood and stuff like that. And yeah, this is a really nice spot, and if you come to Lisbon, it's a must-go place. Dessert, it's incredible, and it's like this. Very Instagrammable, very demure. It's quite big though. It's quite big, and they're very quick with the food, and have big space, and also I think the low ground as well. Yeah. So one of the things I done when I left London, I didn't take too many summer clothes with me. So because we had the dogs, we had only a backpack and a trolley. So I throw everything away. The problem here is it's hot. I didn't expect to be such a long summer here, and I will need to go and get some clothing. But I did so H&M shop and Zara and so on. So I'll have to go and do some shopping in a bit. I'm just waiting for my fiancée to arrive. She done the Pilates, and yeah, maybe I'll show you the main street where most of the shops are located. And time to spend some money. Oh my god, that hill. I'm not getting older, I'm old already, but it's just beautiful. Like I said in the previous video, Uber is very cheap here, but you have lots of transport links. So for example, these electric buses, there you go, tiny and beautiful. The guy is chilling. They're only a few euros, so if you don't need to get fitter, you can jump on all of those to climb all these hills around here. See ya!